Hi everyone, this is Alyosha from Daikin Support. Today we're going to go through some frequently searched for or asked about behaviors in your Daikin Perfera units that can be easily explained and shouldn't alarm you. Why doesn't my Perfera instantly start working? Why don't the flaps instantly start moving? Well, this could happen because either the unit was turned off and on too quickly, or the operation mode was reselected too quickly. Sometimes your unit might need up to 3 minutes to complete the switchover. Just some protection measures, nothing to worry about. Here's a curious one. Why is my Perfera not blowing any air? Once the desired temperature has been reached, your unit will automatically reduce airflow and might even stop blowing air completely. It'll start back up once it feels the indoor temperature rise or fall, depending on the mode it's currently in. Why does my Perfera stop heating and there's flowing sound? During winter, while in heating mode, some frost might accumulate on the outdoor unit, specifically on the heat exchanger. The unit will stop and try and clear up that frost. While this might take up to a maximum of 15 minutes, the unit is usually done with it in about 5, after which it will resume normal operation. Why is my Perfera not heating instantly? Nobody likes a cold draft, and for that reason the unit has been designed so that it will only start blowing out air once it reaches a certain temperature. So when you switch your Perfera unit to heating, it could take 2 to 4 minutes for it to warm up. This could be worrisome. Why is my Perfera emitting mist? So mist can come out of either the indoor or outdoor unit if there's moisture present on the heat exchanger. This could be after a mode change or, for example, after a defrost in winter. Why is my Perfera making a strange sound? Well, actually, there's a few sounds that are quite common and usual for your Perfera to be making. The first one is ticking, and as all materials expand and contract with temperature changes, so too do the materials in your Daikin Perfera unit. So this could easily be the reason why you're hearing some ticking noises. Gurgling. Gurgling happens when there's a refrigerant flow switchover, for example from cooling to heating, or when larger quantities of refrigerant are being passed through the piping. Whistling. You might hear a slight whistling sound coming from the refrigerant flow during winter. This is because of the defrosting operation of the outdoor unit. Clapping. Clapping usually happens when you have other devices sucking air out of the room and all the windows are closed. You can either open the windows to let some air in or turn off your Perfera unit until you're done using your other device. For any other issues, such as water leaks, failing buttons, and strange smells, you should contact your Daikin service team immediately. I hope this will help you understand your Perfera unit better so you can keep enjoying the comfort it brings. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more how-tos plus tips and tricks for your Daikin units. Stay cool, or hot, whichever suits you best. See you soon!